Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Explain Maths. In this video, I am going to solve uh, previous year questions of Trigonometry chapter, and I have covered the questions from last 5 years board exam questions. Most of the questions are very important and they keep on repeating in the board exam. So please watch the video till end and try to solve all the questions because I am going to solve it in complete detail. So let's begin the class. Question number 1. The value of tan square 45 degree minus cos square 60 degree is. So the value of tan 45 is 1. So 1 square is 1 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So cos square 60 is 1 by 2 square, which is 1 by 4. Now take the LCM as 4. So 4 minus 1, so it is 3 by 4. So the correct option is option D. Next is, which of the following is not defined? So here if you see, the value of tan 90 is not defined. So the correct answer is option C. Now third question. Question 3. In a right angle triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 and if angle P is 45 degree, then find the value of tan P minus cos square R. So here is the figure. Angle Q is 90 degree and it is given angle P is 45 degree. So if angle P is 45, using angle sum property, if you find angle R will also be 45 degree. Okay. So tan P means tan 45 degree minus cos square 45 degree. So tan 45 degree will be 1 and cos square 45 degree. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square. So it is 1 minus 1 by 2. So it will be, if you take LCM, LCM will be 2 and if you solve, the answer will be 1 by 2, which is option C. Question number 4. If tan theta equal to 2 by 3, then the value of sec theta is. So we have a relation sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to 1 plus 2 by 3 whole square equal to 1 plus 4 by 9. So if you have to take LCM as 9, so 9 plus 4, 13 by 9. So sec theta value will be root of 13 by 9. Now root of 9 is 3, so answer will be root of 13 by 3. So A will be the correct option. Next, question 5. If sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0, then the value of theta is. So if you can divide cos theta in both sin theta and cos theta, so if you divide cos theta on both, and 0 by cos theta is 0 only, so it will become tan theta minus 1 equal to 0, which means tan theta is 1. So tan theta is 1 for when theta is 45 degrees. So answer is option B. You can solve this question in another way also. Sin theta minus cos theta 0 means sin theta is equal to cos theta. So for which value of theta, sin theta and cos theta both are equal, that is 45 degree. So like that also you can solve. Now moving to question number 6. 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by 1 minus sin theta can be simplified to get. So first take the LCM. So LCM will be 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So here it will be 1 minus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta. Now you can cancel it out. So it will be 1 plus 1, 2 by. Now denominator is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So it will become a square minus b square. So 1 square is 1 minus sin square theta. And 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So which is equal to 2 times sec square theta. So D will be the correct answer. If x times 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to y times 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30, then x is to y equal to. So I'm going to transpose this 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree to other side. So multiplication will change to division. So x will be equal to y times 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Now divided by 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. And if I change division to multiplication, so you have to write the reciprocal. So it will be 1 plus tan square 30 degree divided by 2 tan 30 degree. Now 2 tan 30 will get cancelled. So x by y is equal to 1 plus tan square 30. Now tan 30 is 1 by 3, 1 by root 3. So tan square 30 is 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3. Take the LCM. So 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. Now write the reciprocal of the denominator. So it is 3 by 2. So answer will be 2 by 1, which is 2 is to 1. So C will be the correct option. Question number 8, 1 plus tan square A into 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. So 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A is in the form of A plus B and A minus B. So you have to write it as an A square minus B square form. And 1 plus tan square A, if we use the identity, sec square A minus tan square A is 1. So sec square A will be 1 plus tan square A. Right? So here it is given as 1 plus tan square A, that I can replace with sec square A. And 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin is 1 minus sin square A, which is cos square A. Sec square A you can write as 1 by cos square A into cos square A. So if you simplify, you will get 1 as the answer. So B is the correct answer. If cot theta equal to 1 by root 3, the value of sec square theta plus cosec square theta is. If cot theta is 1 by root 3, then tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta. So the value will be root 3. If we use the identity, sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So it will give me the value 1 plus 3, which is 4. Now cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. If I use the identity, so it will become 1 plus 1 by 3. So answer is 4 by 3. Now what you have to find? Sec square theta plus cos square theta. So sec square theta is 4 plus 4 by 3. Take the LCM. So 12 plus 4, 16 by 3. And if you convert in mixed form, it is 5 whole 1 by 3. So D will be the correct option. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. So let's take a right angle triangle, which is right angle at B, and sine A is 7 by 25. So sine A is opposite by hypotenuse. So 7 by 25. Then you have to find the value of cos C. Now C is here. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So if you see adjacent is 7, hypotenuse is 25. So cos C value is also 7 by 25. So answer will be A option. Question number 11. Given that sec theta equal to root 2, the value of 1 plus tan theta by sin theta is. There are so many ways to solve this question. What I am going to do, I am going to divide both 1 and tan theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta plus tan theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. And tan theta by sin theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, which is divided by sin theta. So division change to multiplication. So it will become 1 by sin theta. So actually it is cosec theta plus sec theta. Now sec theta value we already have, it is root 2. Let's find the value of cosec theta. So if sec theta is root 2, cos theta is reciprocal of that. And if I use the identity, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So I will get from here 1 minus 1 by 2, which will give me a sin theta as 1 by root 2. If sin theta is 1 by root 2, cosec theta is the reciprocal, so it is root 2. So from here I got cosec theta is also root 2. So the answer will be 2 root 2, option A. So you can see here that I am giving all the answers in detail, though it is MCQ also. I am given every answer in complete detail. And in the question you can see marks as well as which year this question has come. It is already mentioned. So please do watch my video till end. I am 100% sure that you are going to get benefited from it. And it has been observed that in each board exam, minimum 7 to 8 marks questions comes only from trigonometry. So easily you can score those marks. Let's move to question number 12. If theta is an acute angle and tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2, then the value of sine cube theta plus cos cube theta is. So tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Cot theta I can write as 1 by tan theta. This is equal to 2. So take the LCM. So tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 tan theta. So tan square theta minus 2 tan theta plus 1 equal to 0. So it's an identity. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So tan theta minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So from here you will get tan theta as 1. So theta is 45 degree because 1 is tan 45, right? So from here we will get theta as 45. Now substitute the value of theta as 45. So sine cube theta is sine cube 45 degree plus cos cube theta is cos cube 45 degree. So 40 sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole cube plus 1 by root 2 whole cube. In short, I can write as 2 times of 1 by root 2 whole cube. And 1 by root 2 whole cube will give me 1 by 2 root 2. So 2 and 2 cancel. So answer is 1 by root 2. But 1 by root 2 is not given in any of the option. Let's rationalize it. Multiply root 2 in both numerator and denominator. So answer will be root 2 by 2, option C. Question number 13. If A cot theta plus B cosec theta is equal to P and B cot theta plus A cosec theta equal to Q, then P square minus Q square equal to. Now this type of question here it is given in MCQ, but it comes for 3-mark question also. So how to solve this? First let's do square on both the side. So A cot theta plus B cosec theta whole square. Let's expand it as A plus B whole square. So A square cot square theta plus B square cosec square theta plus 2AB cot theta into cosec theta is equal to P square. Same way do square on both the side of the other one. So B square cot square theta plus A square cosec square theta minus 2AB, sorry, plus 2AB cot theta into cosec theta equal to Q square. So P square minus Q square is equal to A square cot square theta, and I am taking minus A square cosec square theta together. Same way plus B square cosec square theta minus B square cot square theta, and plus 2AB cot theta into cosec theta minus 2AB cot theta into cosec theta will cancel out. It will become 0. Now take A square common here. So it will be cot square theta minus cosec square theta, and from here take B square common. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Now this is identity. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. But here it is cot square theta minus cosec square theta. So it will be minus 1. So A square into minus 1 is minus A square plus B square. Let's rearrange it. So it is B square minus A square. So option B will be the correct answer. If theta is an acute angle and 7 plus 4 sine theta equal to 9, then the value of theta is. So 4 sine theta equal to 9 minus 7, which is 2. So sine theta is 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. So theta will be, now 1 by 2 is for sine 30 degree. So theta is 30 degree. The value of tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta into sec theta is. 1 by cos theta is also sec theta. So it will be tan square theta minus sec square theta. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So tan square theta minus sec square theta will be minus 1. Option C. Question 16. If sec theta plus tan theta equal to P, then tan theta is. Now this type of question is easily solved using the identity. So we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write it as sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1. And sec theta plus tan theta is P. So sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. And it is given as sec theta plus tan theta is P. So let's subtract both the equation. So we will get sec theta minus sec theta cancel. Here it will be minus 2 tan theta equal to 1 by P minus P. So it will be minus 2 tan theta equal to 1 minus P square by P. So from here we will get tan theta is equal to P square minus 1 by 2P. I have taken minus common over here and then I have transposed minus 2. So minus and minus will get cancelled. So the option is B option. If tan 3 theta equal to root 3, then theta by 2 equals. So tan 3 theta is equal to tan 60 degree. So 3 theta equal to 60. So the value of theta will be 60 degree divided by 3, which is equal to 20 degree. So theta by 2 will be 20 degree divided by 2, which is 10 degree. So here D will be the correct option. Question 18. If 2 by 3 sine 0 degree minus 4 by 5 cos 0 is equal to. So 2 by 3 sine 0 value is 0 only. So 2 by 3 into 0 minus 4 by 5 into cos 0 is 1. So answer is minus 4 by 5, option B. Which of the following is true for all values of theta? Cos square theta minus sin square theta is 1. This is wrong. This is minus 1. Cos x square theta minus sec square theta is equal to 1. This is also wrong. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. This is correct. This is the identity. So the answer will be C option. If tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, then find the value of a. Now this is a 2-mark question and this question came in the year 2020. So for which value of tan it is root 3? So it's tan 60. So from here I can write a plus b equal to 60 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 because tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. Now add it. So you'll get 2a is equal to 90 degree. So the value of a is 90 degree by 2, which is 45 degree. Question 21. If tan theta equal to 3, then what is the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 4 sin theta plus 3 cos theta? So 5 tan theta is 3. It means tan theta will be 3 by 5. Okay. So I have a value of tan theta, but here it is given sin theta and cos theta. But I can convert it in tan theta by dividing cos theta in both numerator and denominator. So 5 sin theta by cos theta minus 3 cos theta by cos theta cancel. Here also 4 sin theta by cos theta and plus 3 cos theta by cos theta will get cos theta by cos theta will get cancelled. So 5 tan theta minus 3 by 4 tan theta plus 3. Now tan theta is 3 by 5. So 5 into 3 by 5 minus 3 divided by 4 into 3 by 5 plus 3. So from here 5 and 5 cancel. So it is numerator is 3 minus 3, which is 0. And 0 divided by 12 by 5 plus 3. So 0 divided by anything is 0 only. So answer is 0. Prove that root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is sec theta minus tan theta. So in such type of question, multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 minus sine theta. You have to just do the multiply with the opposite of the denominator. So if denominator is 1 plus sine theta, multiply with 1 minus sine theta in both numerator and denominator. So from here you will get 1 minus sine theta whole square, and 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is 1 minus sine square theta. So numerator is 1 minus sine theta by the root of cos square theta is cos theta. Next, 1 by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. I can split it in this way because this cos theta is in both with 1 and with sine theta. So it will be sec theta minus tan theta. Proved. So this was your LHS and you got your RHS. Question 23. Prove that tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta by 1 plus cot square theta is 1. So first we will take the LHS. So it is tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And I'm going to change cot square theta also as tan theta. So 1 plus by tan square theta by 1 by tan square theta. So tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta into, if you take here LCM, it will become 1 plus tan square theta, and as it is a division, I am changing division to multiplication, so it will become tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So it will get cancelled. So we will be left with tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. And again, if you take LCM as 1 plus tan square theta, your numerator is also tan square theta plus 1, which will get cancelled out. So your answer will be 1, which is RHS. Proved. So this question was a 2-mark question. If x cos 60 degree plus y cos 0 plus sin 30 degree minus cot 45 degree is 5, then find the value of x plus 2y. So let's put all the values. So x into cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 0 is 1, sin 30 is 1 by 2, and cot 45 is 1. So from here we will get x by 2 plus y equal to 6 minus 1 by 2. If you take LCM as 2 in the LHS, it is x plus 2y by 2 equal to 12 minus 1 by 2. Now 2 and 2 cancel. So x plus 2y is equal to 11. So the value of x plus 2y is 11. Question 25. The rod AC of a TV disc antenna is fixed at right angles to the wall AB and a rod CD is supporting the disc as shown. If AC is equal to 1.5 meter long and CD is 3 meter long, find the value of tan theta and sec theta plus cosec theta. So CD square is equal to AD square plus AC square. So 3 square equal to AD square plus 1.5 square. So 9 minus 2.25 is equal to AD square. So AD will be root of 6.75. Now 6.75 I can write as 675 by 100. So it will be root of 675 by 10. So let's do the prime factorization of 675. So first we can use 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So 135, again 5 table, 27, then 3 times 9, 3 times 3. So here I am getting a pair of 5 and 3. So it will become 15 root 3 by 10. So 15 root 3 by 10. Again further we can reduce it here. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So it is 3 root 3 by 2. That is the value of AD. Now I have to find tan theta. So tan theta will be AC by AD. So AC is 1.5, AD is 3 root 3 by 2 will come here. So 3 times 0.5 and 0.2 0.5 into 2 is 1 by root 3. This is your tan theta. Next you have to find sec theta plus cosec theta. So sec theta will be hypotenuse by adjacent. So 3 divided by 3 root 3 into 2, and cosec theta will be hypotenuse by opposite 1.5. So from here if I multiply 10 here, I will be getting 2 by root 3 plus 30 by 15, and 30 by 15 is 2. I can take LCM, so 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3, and then take 2 common, so it is 1, 2 whole 1 plus root 3 by root 3. This is the answer. Question 26, this is very important question. It is given that sin A minus B equal to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Use it to find the value of sin 15 degree. So 15, can I write 15 as 45 minus 30? Isn't it? So I will take A as 45 degree and B as 30 degree. So sin 45 degree minus 30 degree will be equal to sin 45 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree. Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, and sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So it will become root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now this is the answer for sin 15 degree. So this is one of the important question. Now moving to question number 27. Question 27. If sin alpha equal to 1 by 2, then the value of 3 cos alpha minus 4 cos cube alpha is. So sin alpha is 1 by 2. It means alpha will be 30 degree because sin 30 is 1 by 2. So alpha is 30 degree. Now let's find the value of 3 cos 30 degree minus 4 cos cube 30 degree. 3 cos 30 degree means 3 into root 3 by 2 minus 4 cos cube 30 degree. So root 3 by 2 whole cube. So here you will get 3 root 3 by 2 minus 4 into 3 root 3 by 8, and 4 times 2 is 8. So actually both is same, so answer will be 0. Now moving to question number 28. So you can see that I have solved each and every question in detail. Now I am going to solve some of the 3 marker question also shortly. So if you are, please do watch my video till end, and please share my video with your friends and subscribe my channel as much as possible. Question 28 is also one of the important question. If A sec theta plus B tan theta equal to M and B sec theta plus A tan theta is equal to N, prove that A square plus N square equal to B square plus M square. So here also I am going to square here on both the sides, and here also I am going to square on both the sides. Let's use A plus B whole square. So M square will be A square sec square theta plus B square tan square theta minus 2ab sec theta into tan theta. Not minus, it is plus only. Same way, n square equal to b square sec square theta plus a square tan square theta plus 2ab sec theta into tan theta. Now do m square minus n square. Now if we subtract, what will happen? This 2 will get cancelled out. Okay, so we will be left with a square. This and this I can take common. A square sec square theta minus tan square theta plus b square tan square theta minus sec square theta. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1 and tan square theta minus sec square theta is minus 1. It will become a square minus b square. So m square plus b square is equal to a square plus n square. I have transposed minus b square to LHS and minus n square to RHS. So that's all you have to do. So this proof is done. It is proved. This is one of the important questions you all should know. Use the identity sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1 to prove tan square a plus 1 equal to sec square a. Hence find the value of tan a when sec a equal to 5 by 3 where a is an acute angle. So sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Let's divide both sides by cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Divide by cos square a. Okay. So sin square a by cos square a will become tan square a. Cos square a by cos square a is 1. And 1 by cos square a will be sec square a. So first part is done. Now it is given if sec a is 5 by 3, find the value of tan a. So from here I will get tan square a is equal to sec square a minus 1. Sec square a will be 25 by 9 minus 1. Take LCM. So it will be 25 minus 16 and 25 minus 9, not 16. So 25 minus 9 will give me 16. Okay. So 25 minus 9 which will give me 16 by 9. So tan A will be root of 16 by 9 means 4 by 3 will be the answer. Now moving to question number 30. Question 30, evaluate this. So 5 by cot square 30 degree. So if you see cot 30 value is root 3, so cot square 30 will be 3 plus 1 by sine square 60 degree. Sine 60 value will be root 3 by 2. So sine square 60 will become 3 by 4. So 3 will be here and 4 will get multiplied here. Cot square 45 degree is 1 and sine square 90 degree is also 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So 5 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 1. So 5 plus 4, 9 by 3 plus 1. 9 by 3 is 3 plus 1. So answer will be 4. If theta is an acute angle and sin theta equal to cos theta, find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2. Sin theta and cos theta will be equal if theta is 45 degree. Okay. So tan square 45 degree plus cot square 45 degree minus 2. So tan 45 is 1, so 1 square is 1. Cot 45 is also 1, so cot square 45 is also 1. And then minus 2. So 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. Prove that 1 plus tan A minus Ck into 1 plus tan A plus Ck equal to 2 tan A. Now this is a 3 marker question. So if you take the LHS part and if you group this 1 plus tan A in both the side together. So if you see here, if you take 1 plus tan A as A and Ck as B. So what will happen? It is in the form of A minus B, A plus B, isn't it? So it will become A square minus B square. So 1 plus tan A whole square minus sec square A. Now 1 plus tan A whole square expand as A plus B whole square. So it will be 1 plus tan square A plus 2 tan A and sec square A. Use the identity. You can write 1 plus tan square A. Okay. So now if 1 plus tan square A plus 2 tan A. Let's open the brackets. It will be minus 1 minus tan square A. So minus and plus tan square A cancel. 1 and minus 1 cancel. So answer will be 2 tan A which is equal to RHS. Okay, so this is done. Prove that cosec theta by cosec theta minus 1 plus cosec theta by cosec theta plus 1 is equal to 2 sec square theta. So take the LHS. Okay, Now take the LCM. Cosec theta minus 1 into cosec theta plus 1. So if you take the LCM, it will be cosec theta into cosec theta plus 1 plus cosec theta into cosec theta minus 1. So equal to cosec square theta plus cosec theta plus cosec square theta minus cosec theta divided by a. See, denominator is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So cosec square theta minus 1. So from here it will get cancelled. So it will be 2 cosec square theta, and cosec square theta minus 1, if you use the identity, it is cot square theta. Now cosec square theta will be sine square theta. So 2 by sine square theta divided by cot square theta is cos square theta by sine square theta. When you change this division to multiplication, it will be 2 by sine square theta. Write the reciprocal now. So sine square theta by cos square theta. So sine square theta cancel. It will be 2 sec square theta, which is equal to RHS. Okay. So this was a 3-marker question, an important question. Question number 34. Prove that root of ck minus 1 by ck plus 1 plus root of ck plus 1 by ck minus 1 is 2 cosec a. So here also you have to rationalize it. So here in the first half, ck minus 1 by ck plus 1, multiply both numerator denominator with ck minus 1. So it will become ck minus 1 whole square, and denominator will come in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So it will be sec square a minus 1 square, which is 1. Here you have to multiply with ck plus 1 whole, plus 1 on both numerator denominator. So it will be ck plus 1 whole square, and this will be sec square a minus 1. Now ck minus 1 whole square, if you take out the root, it is ck minus 1. Sec square a minus 1 is tan square a. Root of tan square a is tan a. Same way, here it will become ck plus 1 by tan a. Now take LCM as tan a. So it will become sec a minus 1 plus sec a plus 1. So it will become 2 sec a by tan a. Sec a is 2 by cos a. Tan a is sin a by cos a. So if you change this division to multiplication, it will become 2 by cos a into cos a by sin a. So cos a and cos a cancel. It will be 2 by sin a, which is 2 cosec a. So this is also done. Now 2 cosec a is my RHS. So this is a 3-marker question, and it's an important question. Now moving to question number 35. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3, prove that tan theta plus cos theta equal to 1. So sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3, I am going to square on both the side. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 3 square. So it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to 3. So it will become 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to 3, and transpose 1 to other side. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. So 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 2. It means sin theta into cos theta value is 1. Now what we have to prove? Tan theta plus cos theta equal to 1. So LHS is tan theta, I can write as sin theta by cos theta, plus cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. Let's take the LCM now. So it will be sin theta into cos theta, and numerator will become sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and 1 by sin theta into cos theta, I got it here as 1. So 1 by 1. So answer is 1. So it equal to RHS. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cos theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Here if you see RHS, it has sec theta and cosec theta, which is a reciprocal of cos and sine. So LHS, what we will do, will convert in the form of sine and cos. So LHS will become tan theta is sine theta by cos theta by 1 minus cos theta by sine theta plus cos theta by sine theta by 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. So now let's take LCM in the denominator part. So here it is sine theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sine theta, and take LCM as cos theta, so it will become cos theta minus sine theta. Now after that, now change here, now this is your division. Change division to multiplication. So you have to write the reciprocal of this part, isn't it? So what it will become here now? Sine theta, and the sine theta from here it will get multiplied. It will become sine square theta. So cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Next, here is cos theta minus sine theta, and here is sine theta minus cos theta. So I am taking minus common here. So here sign will change from plus to minus. And this cos theta will get multiplied here. So it will become cos square theta by sine theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Now take the LCM again as cos theta sine theta into sine theta minus cos theta. So it will become sine cube theta minus cos cube theta. Now a cube minus b cube form you have to use. So it will become a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square divided by cos theta into sine theta into sine theta minus cos theta. So this will get cancelled. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So it will become 1 plus sine theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sine theta. Next you can write 1 by cos theta into sine theta plus sine theta into cos theta by cos theta into sine theta. So this will get cancelled out, and here 1 by cos theta is sec theta and 1 by sine theta is cosec theta plus 1. And then you can rearrange 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta, and this is only your RHS. Okay, this is a full 3-mark question. So if you like my video, please give high points to me as much as possible such that my video is visible to more and more people. Next question number 37. So here it is, prove that 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a is sec square a minus 1. So you can solve in many ways. You can convert tan and cot in the form of sine and cos, and also you can do what I am going to do here is I am going to write cot as 1 by tan. So it will become 1 plus 1 by tan square a. Then in the denominator I am going to take the LCM. So it will be tan square a plus 1 by tan square a. So this is your division. When you change division to multiplication, you will get 1 plus tan square a into tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, or tan square plus 1, same thing. It will get cancelled. You will get tan square a, and if you use the identity, tan square a is sec square a minus 1, which is equal to your RHS. Okay, so this is also done. Question 38. Prove that 1 by cos A minus cos A into 1 by sin A minus sin A is 1 by tan A plus cot A. So first let's take the LHS part. Okay. Take the LCMs. It will become 1 minus cos square A by cos A. And here it will be 1 minus sin square A by sin A. So 1 minus cos square A, if you use the identity, it will become sin square A by cos A. And 1 minus sin square A will become cos square A by sin A. So this will get cancelled. So here I got sin A into cos A. Now let's take the RHS. See, sometimes now from LHS you will not able to get RHS. Then in that case, RHS also you solve. So 1 by sin A will be, tan A will be sin A by cos A plus cot A will be cos A by sin A. Then take the LCM. So 1 by, it will become sin square A plus cos square A by sin A into cos A. Now this is your division. If you change division to multiplication, this will become the reciprocal. So it will be 1 into sin A into cos A by sin square A plus cos square A. And sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So answer will be sin A into cos A. So LHS and RHS both are same. So it is proved. Okay, now moving to question number 39. Question number 39. Prove that sin A minus 2 sin QA by 2 cos QA minus cos A equal to tan A. So first you take the LHS part. Okay. From the numerator take sin A common. So it will become 1 minus 2 sin square A. And from the denominator you take cos A common. So 2 cos square A minus 1. Sin A by cos A is tan A. And then 1 minus 2. Again sin square A I am going to write in the form of cos. So it will become 1 minus cos square A divided by 2 cos square A minus 1. So tan A in the bracket, now 2 into 1 is 2 and minus 2 into minus cos square A is plus 2 cos square A divided by 2 cos square A minus 1. Again, if you further solve, you will get tan A. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 2 cos square A divided by 2 cos square A minus 1. Now this and this is same thing. So it is equal to tan A, which is your RHS. Okay. So question 39 is also done. Now moving to question number 40. Question number 40, you have to prove this is equal to this. So take first LHS and take the LCM. So LHS I am taking. LCM will be sin A minus cos A into sin A plus cos A. Sin A minus cos A into sin A plus cos A. So here it will be sin A plus cos A whole square and plus sin A minus cos A whole square. Now use A plus B whole square and A minus B square identity and expand it. So sin square A plus cos square A plus sin A into cos, 2 times sin A into cos A plus sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 times sin A into cos A divided by sin square A minus cos square A in the denominator. So from here plus 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin A cos A cancel and sin square A plus cos square A is 1 and here also 1. So 1 plus 1 2. But if you see the RHS denominator, everything is in the form of sin square A. So this cos square A also you have to write in the form of sin square A. So cos square A will be 1 minus sin square A. So equal to 2 by sin square A minus 1 plus 2 plus sin square A. So sin square a plus sin square a will become 2 sin square a minus 1. This is equal to RHS. Done. So back to back till now I have done 40 questions, but there are some more, around 15 more questions are there. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel as much as possible. Let's move forward. Question number 41. Here also you have to prove it, but RHS you can see it is in the form of CK and tan A. So let's take LHS and convert that also in the form of sec and tan. So for that what you have to do, divide numerator and denominator with cos A. So what will happen, sin A by cos A will become tan A, cos A minus by cos A is 1 and 1 by cos A is sec. Same way here it will be tan A plus 1 minus sec. Let's rearrange it. So it will be tan A plus sec minus 1 and then tan A minus sec plus 1. Now see, in this same question, RHS may be different. RHS may be, here it is 1 by sec minus tan A. It may be only sec minus tan A. Now here denominator something is there. So what you have to do, in the denominator, I am going to use the identity. In place of 1, I can use sec square A minus tan square A, because sec square A minus tan square A is 1. Right? So why I am not using in the numerator? Because if you see your RHS part, denominator some value is still left. So I am going to use the identity in the denominator only. So tan A minus sec and then 1 I can write it as sec square A minus tan square A. Okay. Now next step what I will do, in the denominator I will be taking common as ck minus tan A. Why? Because this is in the form of a square minus b square. Ck minus tan A, ck plus tan A. Here also tan A minus ck. So I am going to take sec A minus tan A common. So from here I will be left with minus 1 and from this part I will be left with ck plus tan A. See, this question is very important. Please, you have to understand it very clearly. Now minus 1 plus ck plus tan A, if you see the numerator and denominator, this part and this part actually it is same. Here also it is minus 1 plus tan A plus ck here also. So you have to cancel it out. So let's cancel it. So you are left with 1 by ck minus tan A, which is your RHS. Okay, this question comes multiple times. You should know. It's not only for this identity, they can use it for another identity also. That also we will be doing now. Let's move to question number 42. Question 42 is also similar to 41, but there we have converted in the form of sec and tan, but because RHS was in that form. Here it is in the RHS is in the form of cosec A and cot A. So here also we have to convert it. And one more thing, in the previous question in the RHS, denominator was having some value. So we used the identity in the denominator. But here it is only in the numerator. Denominator is 1. So here we are going to use the identity in the numerator part. Okay, so first convert in cosec and cot form. For that, you have to divide both numerator and denominator by sin A. So cos A by sin A is cot A. Sin A by sin A is 1 and 1 by sin A is cosec A. Same way denominator will become cot A minus 1 plus cosec A. Let's rearrange it. Cot A minus cosec A. And I'm going to use the identity also. 1 I'm going to use as cosec square A minus cot square A. This is the identity. And denominator I'm going to leave it as it is. Cot A minus 1 plus cosec A. Now from the numerator I am going to take common cosec A minus cot A. Okay, because if you see here, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So cosec A minus cot A, cosec A plus cot A. So I have taken here cosec A minus cot A common. So you will be left here with minus 1 plus cosec A plus cot A divided by cot A minus 1 plus cosec A. So this and this will get cancelled and you will get cosec A minus cot A, which is your RHS. Okay. So this is question 42 also done. Now moving to question 43. Question 43, prove that sin A plus cos A k whole square plus cos A plus sec whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So take the LHS, sin A and use A plus B whole square identity. So it will become sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 times sin A into cosec A plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. Now let's group it. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1 and cosec square A I can write it as 1 plus cot square A plus 2 times sin A into cosec A is also 1 by sin A. So from here it will get cancelled. It is left only 2. Sec square A I can write in the form of 1 plus tan square A and 2 times cos A into sec A is also 1 by cos A. So this also get cancelled. So this is 1 plus 1 plus cot square A plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 2, 7. So it is 7 plus, rearrange it, tan square A plus cot square A. That is only your RHS. Okay. So done. Question 43. Question 44. If cot theta plus cos theta equal to P and cot theta minus cos theta equal to Q, prove that P square minus Q square equal to 4 times root of PQ. So first we will find P square. So P square will be cot square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 cot theta into cos theta. Same way Q square will be cot square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 cot theta into cos theta. Now when you subtract this, what will happen? This and this will get cancelled. So P square minus Q square will be 2 plus 2, 4 times cot theta into cos theta. Okay, now we'll take, this is your LHS part. This is your LHS. Now I'm taking RHS 4 times root of PQ. So cot theta plus cos theta minus cos theta. It will be cot square theta minus cos square theta. So 4 times cos square theta by sin square theta minus cos square theta. So 4 times, take cos square theta common. So it will be 1 by sin square theta minus 1. Next, if you take out cos from root of cos square theta, it will become, okay, let it be in the root only. So cos square theta, take LCM, so it will be 1 minus sin square theta by sin square theta. So it will be 4 times cot square theta into 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So it will be 4 times cot theta into cos theta. This is your LHS. Okay, so this question was a 3-marker question, an important question. It comes in exam. Now next, moving to question number 45. Prove that 1 plus 1 by tan square theta into 1 plus 1 by cot square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin 4 theta. Now, whenever proof that question comes, little lengthier one, it comes for 3 mark. So take LHS and take the LCM. So it will become tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. And then it will be cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta. Now tan square theta is sec square theta by tan square theta into cot square theta plus 1 is cosec square theta by cot square theta. Now sec square theta is 1 by cos square theta and tan square theta is sin square theta by cos square theta. In 1 by sin square theta divided by cos square theta by sin square theta. So if you change division to multiplication, this and this will get cancelled. Same way this and this will get cancelled. And you will get from here 1 by sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta, which is cosec square theta into sec square theta. So this is your LHS. Now let's do the RHS also. So it will be from RHS, I am going to take sin square theta common. So it will be 1 minus sin square theta, and 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So 1 by sin square theta is cosec square theta into 1 by cos square theta is sec square theta. See here I can write this in this form, right? 1 by sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta. That can be converted in this form, which is equal to now your LHS. Proved. Prove that root of cosec theta minus 1 by cosec theta plus 1 plus root of cosec theta plus 1 by cosec theta minus 1 is equal to 2 times sec theta. Here also, see, similar question we have done previously with the sec theta minus 1 and sec theta plus 1. So, same way you have to do. So, this question you solve in your own way. Okay. Here also you have to rationalize and you will get your answer. Okay. So, this question you try by yourself. I am leaving it because you have already solved this type of question previously. And I feel you all can solve it. Question number 34 was in this form. Okay, so if you want, you can take a help from there and we can solve. Now moving to question number 47. If cos a plus b equal to 1 by 2 and tan a minus b is 1 by root 3, then you have to find the value of this. So cos a plus b is 1 by 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So it means a plus b is 60 degree. Same way a minus b, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay. So if you solve it here, if you add both, you will get 2a is equal to 90 degree. So the value of a is 45 degree. So if a is 45, b will be 60 degree minus 45 degree, which is equal to 15 degree. Now you have to find the value of sec 2a minus 3b. So sec 2a, 2 into 45 is 90 degree and 3 into 15 is 45 degree. So it will be sec 45 degree and sec 45 degree value is root 2. So 47 answer is root 2. Question 48, find the value of x such that this equal to 2 cos square 30 degree. So let's put all the values here. So tan 60 is root 3. So tan square 60 will be root 3 minus x into sin square 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So sin square will be 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into sec square 30 degree will be 4 by 3 and it is equal to 2 times cosec square 30 degree. So cosec 30 is 2. So cosec square will be 4. So let's solve it. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 minus x by 2 plus 1 equal to 8. So 10 minus 8 is equal to x by 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. So the value of x will be 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Question number 49a, evaluate. Evaluate means you have to find the value. So 2 times sine square 30 degree. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So sine square will be 1 by 4 into sec 60 degrees 2 plus tan square 60 degree root 3 square, which is 3. So 2 times 2 and 2 and 2 cancel. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Now B part. 2 times sine A plus B is root 3. It means sine A plus B will be root 3 by 2 and sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So A plus B will be 60 degree and A cos A minus B is 1. It means A minus B is 0 because cos 0 is 1. Now let's add it. So 2A is equal to 60 degree. So A will be 30 degree. From here A minus B 0 means A is equal to B equal to 30 degree. So that's all you have to find. The value of A and B is both 30 degree. Question 50. Prove that cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta by sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta plus cot theta equal to 0. So take the LHS. In the LHS, in the numerator, take cos theta common. So it is 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Denominator, take sin theta common. So it will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus cot theta. Now, either numerator or denominator, you have to make it same. Okay, so I am going to change cos square theta in the form of sin square theta. Now, cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Then 1 minus 2 cos square theta I am writing 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus cot theta. So equal to cot theta 1 minus 2 plus 2 sin square theta divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta equal to cot theta 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So from numerator, from the bracket, if I take minus common, it will become 1 minus 2 sin square theta, which is same as the denominator. So we can cancel it out. So it will be minus cot theta plus cot theta, which is equal to 0. That is only the RHS. Here also prove that 1 plus sec theta minus tan theta by 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. So here also you take LHS. In the numerator, in place of 1, I am writing the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta. This I have written for 1, okay, plus sec theta minus tan theta divided by 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta. Now, now it is in the form of a square minus b square, so a plus b, a minus b. Sec square theta minus tan square theta, I can write sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta. So I'm taking sec theta minus tan theta common. So sec theta minus tan theta if I take common. So from this part, sec theta plus tan theta will be left out and plus 1 divided by 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta. So this will get cancelled. So you are left with sec theta minus tan theta. Now sec theta you have to write as 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So take cos theta as LCM. So it will be 1 minus sin theta by cos theta and this is only your RHS. So this is also a very important question. Many times it comes in exam. Next question number 52. Here also prove that this is equal to 1. So take the LHS and convert everything in the form of sine and cos. So 1 by sine theta minus sine theta. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. And here it will be Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. So it is equal to 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. Then 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta by sin theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Now let's simplify. So I'm left with cos theta by sin theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So this will be equal to 1, which is equal to RHS. Proved. Question 53 also you have to prove. So take the LHS. 1 plus tan square A is, if you use the identity, it is sec square A by cosec square A. Sec square A is 1 by cos square A and cosec square is 1 by sin square A. When division is changed to multiplication, you have to write the reciprocal. So 1 by cos square A into sin square A by 1. So it is tan square A. Let's take the RHS. So 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A also I can write as 1 by tan A and whole square. Next 1 minus tan A by, take the LCM as tan A. So it will become tan A minus 1 whole square. Next 1 minus tan A. Here I am taking minus commons. It will be 1 minus tan A by tan A whole square. Now when you change division to multiplication, it will become 1 minus tan A into tan A by minus of 1 minus tan A whole square. So this and this will get cancelled. You will be left with minus of tan A whole square. And minus of tan A whole square is tan square A, which is equal to your LHS. Question 54. Here also you have to prove the following trigonometric identity. So LHS is 1 plus cosec A by cosec A. So I am going to divide it here. I am going to split. So 1 by cosec A is sin A and cosec A plus cosec A is 1. Now let's take the RHS. Cos square A is 1 minus sin square A by 1 minus sin A. So now in numerator 1 I can write as 1 square. So it is 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. So this will get cancelled. So it is equal to 1 plus sin A. So this is also equal to LHS. Done. Question 55. Let 2a plus b and a plus 2b be acute angles such that sine of 2a plus b equal to root 3 by 2 and tan a plus 2b equal to 1. Find the value of cot 4a minus 7b. So here if you see root 3 by 2, it's sine 60 degree. So 2a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Tan of a plus 2b is 1, means tan 45 degree is 1. So a plus 2b is equal to 45 degree. Okay, I'm going to multiply 2 here. So it will become the first equation I am writing it as it is. Second equation I am multiplying as with 2. So 2a plus 4b is equal to 90 degree. Now subtract it. So minus 3b is equal to minus 30 degree. So b is 10 degree. Then find the value of a from the first equation. So 2a is equal to 60 degree minus b means 60 degree minus 10, 50 degree. So a will be 25 degree. Now you have to find the value of cot 4a minus 7b. So cot of 4a, 4 times 25 is 100 degree minus 7b is 70 degree. So 100 minus 70 is 30 degree and cot 30 degree is root 3. Next, last question, question number 56. Question 56, given that sine theta plus cos theta equal to x, prove that sine to the power 4 theta plus cos 4 theta is equal to this. So first of all, do square on both the side in the given equations. It will become sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta equal to x square. What I did square here on both the side. Sine square plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus 2 sine theta into cos theta is equal to x square. So 2 times sine theta into cos theta is equal to x square minus 1. Next, LHS is sine 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. So it will be sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sine square theta into cos square theta. So it will be 1 minus 2 times. Now already we have, from here I will get sine theta into cos theta as x square minus 1 by 2. Now here is sine square theta into cos square theta. So we have to do square here. So it will be x square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 minus 2 x square minus 1 whole square by 4. So 2 and 4 cancel. Now take the LCM. It will be 2 minus x square minus 1 by whole square by 2, which is equal to your RHS. So that's all for today's class. I have covered all the important questions of last 5 years, which very frequently comes in the board exam. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel as much as possible. Thank you.